Hi, I'm Ben. I'm here to learn English.
And I'm Emma. I'm here to help.
Let's learn together.
Let's learn together. Hey everyone. Welcome back to English with Emma and Ben. I'm Emma, and I'm so glad you're here today.
And I'm Ben. Thank you for joining us again. If this is your first time listening, welcome. You're going to have a great time learning English with us.
Every week, we talk about real topics in easy English, and we help you learn new words, useful phrases, and how to understand spoken English better.
Exactly. We speak slowly, clearly, and naturally, just like two friends talking. And today's topic is something everyone understands. Stress.
Yes, stress. That heavy feeling we all know.
Right? Whether it's from work, school, family, or just too many things at once, stress happens to all of us.
So, today we'll talk about our own experiences with stress, how we deal with it, and some vocabulary and phrases you can use to talk about it too, in English.
Sounds great. Emma, I'll ask you first. How was your week? Were you stressed?
Yes, honestly. This week was a little stressful. I had a lot of deadlines and not much sleep. You know that feeling when your brain just says, no more?
Yes, I know it very well. I had a day like that too. I was trying to do 3 things at once: answer emails, clean the house, and talk on the phone. I was like, stop everything.
That sounds chaotic. I think we both needed a break.
Yeah. So I made a cup of tea and sat outside for 10 minutes just to breathe. It helped a lot.
That's such a good idea. For me, when I feel stress, I try to take a short walk. Moving my body always helps.
Same here. Sometimes I just stretch or listen to calm music. Deep breaths too, like inhale, exhale. So simple, but it really helps.
Let's help our listeners now. How can we talk about stress in English?
Okay, let's start with some useful phrases.
Here are a few. I'm feeling a bit stressed. I have too much on my plate. This means I have too many things to do. I need a break. I feel overwhelmed.
Good ones. And also, I'm under pressure. This week has been crazy. I need to clear my mind. I'm trying to stay calm.
These are things we can say to a friend, a coworker, or even to ourselves.
Right. It's good to notice stress and talk about it. Even just saying, I feel stressed, is a healthy step.
Yes, stress is not weakness. It's a signal. Our body is saying, hey, slow down.
Let's share a small story. Emma, do you remember a time when you were really stressed but found a good way to manage it?
Yes. One time I was working a lot and I had no energy. I felt angry, tired, and everything annoyed me.
That sounds rough.
It was, But then I decided to take a full weekend off. No phone, no laptop, no work. Just time for myself. Walks, books, and sleep. And I felt so much better.
That's a great idea. We sometimes forget to rest, and rest is not lazy, it's necessary.
Exactly. What about you, Ben?
One time, I was nervous before a big presentation. My hands were shaking. So I practiced deep breathing and told myself, I don't have to be perfect. I just have to try my best. That helped me calm down.
I love that. Sometimes just being kind to ourselves is the best medicine.
Let's give some tips to our listeners. If you're feeling stressed, here are some easy things you can do. Take a short walk, listen to soft music, drink water or herbal tea, stretch your body, talk to a friend, say no to things if you need space.
Yes. And maybe write in a journal or watch something funny.
Laughter is the best medicine sometimes.
So true. And remember, don't try to do everything. Just one thing at a time. That's enough.
Let's review a few words and phrases we used today. Stressed, feeling worried or tense. Overwhelmed, feeling like everything is too much. Deadline, a time something must be finished. Take a break, stop and rest. Clear your mind, make your brain feel quiet. Under pressure, feeling like you must do something fast or perfectly. Calm down, relax. Okay, friends, we've talked a lot today about stress, emotions, and simple ways to take care of ourselves.
Yes. And we hope this conversation helped you feel more relaxed and also gave you some useful English.
And remember, you don't have to be perfect. You're learning, growing, and doing your best. So be kind to yourself. And don't forget, when you feel stress, you're not alone.
Thank you for listening to us today. If you enjoyed this episode, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with a friend.
And we'll be back next week with another friendly English conversation just for you.
Bye. Stay calm and keep learning English.